Sometimes the best way to win is to walk away. Walking away doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're strong enough to let go and move on. The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. To subdue the enemy without fighting is the acme of skill. If they don't appreciate your presence, maybe it's time to give them your absence. The greatest win is walking away and choosing not to engage in drama or toxic energy at all. Selfhood begins with a walking away, and love is proved in letting go. Holding on is believing there is only a past. Letting go is knowing there is a future. Sometimes letting things go is an act of far greater power than defending or hanging on. Real strength is walking away even when your heart begs you to stay. Leaving the battlefield doesn't mean defeat. It means you refuse to fight the wrong war and won your peace. Walk away from noise and listen to the voice that leads you forward. When respect fades, your courage to leave becomes your greatest strength. Your peace is worth more than proving a point that drains your soul. Winning truly begins when you stop fighting battles that are beneath your purpose. Maturity is measured by how calmly you choose to walk away from chaos. Walk away from those who dim your fire. You were born to burn bright. Every time you choose peace over pride, you rise higher than before. Don't fight for a place that does not value your presence. Walk out and build your own. Success starts the moment you stop explaining yourself to the wrong people. When the world shouts, "Stay," the wise one hears the call to walk away and build a new echo. Walk away quietly. The silence will speak louder than any defense. Don't look back at doors that closed. Your destiny is waiting ahead. The power to walk away is the proof that you have already won. Walk away from attention that distracts and toward purpose that fulfills. Sometimes walking alone is the fastest way to reach your destination. When others play games, change the field and rewrite your own rules. Protect your focus with silence, and success will guard your future. Let go of what drains you, because your growth demands lighter steps. The prize of peace is earned when you take one step back from noise. You never need to win them. Your greatest victory is winning yourself back. Walk away quietly and let time expose what words never could. Leave fires that only burn you. Seek the warmth that helps you rise. Silence is not weakness. It is the language of dignity in the face of disrespect. When the room shrinks your vision, it is time to create your own hall. Escape the loops of drama and leap into the cycle of discipline. Whatever you ignore slowly loses its power over you. Retreat from drama because destiny does not live in chaos. A boundary is not rejection, it is direction toward something better. Walk away with gratitude, never guilt. Peace belongs to those who release. You can still love people deeply while leaving patterns that keep you small. Detach gracefully so your focus can return stronger than ever. Leave every table where respect is not served, even if you built it yourself. Walking away sometimes protects your destiny more than staying ever could. You owe no loyalty to situations that keep you shrinking. Choose growth, even when it means saying goodbye to comfort. Walk away so your standards can breathe in the open air of self-worth. Distance often turns confusion into crystal clarity. Your next level of freedom lies hidden in the quiet moment. You walk away from the impossible and into the inevitable. Energy saved from arguing becomes the fuel that builds your dreams. The quieter you become, the more unstoppable your movement feels. Walk away from scarcity and create abundance through focus. Every loss that preserves your peace is not a loss at all. You never need to bleed to prove that you're strong enough to heal. Closing one chapter gives your next story room to unfold. Step away from noise so wisdom can finally speak. Turning back is not failure when the road leads away from purpose. Exit calmly today so you can re-enter powerfully tomorrow. Your future cannot grow in soil watered with resentment. Choose silence now, the kind that strengthens instead of suffocates. Walk away when the price of staying is your peace of mind. Sometimes the most powerful step forward begins with one step away. Boundaries are decisions that protect you, not discussions that beg for approval. Leave circles that spin endlessly and walk toward progress. Your dream breathes best when distance separates it from distraction. Walk away from doubt and let discipline take its place. Great goals are built in rooms no one else sees. Let go quickly, rebuild patiently, and rise quietly. Treat your energy like currency. Spend it where value returns. Walking away from a toxic situation is an act of self-love, not selfishness. Every argument avoided is time invested in growth. The strongest goodbye is the one spoken through peace. True greatness performs best on the stage of stillness. Walk away from fear and meet the discipline that replaces it. Silence the noise and enter the sacred space of your craft. When you exit the room of doubt and closed doors, you step into a hallway of opportunities that reward the bold. People evolve, or environments shape them. You decide which happens. Your worth is not up for agreement. It already exists. Step away from comfort and into the unknown, where calling lives.